Generally, these two types of problems of ratio you came along oftenly. So I am taking these concept-based problems and explaining to you one by one. Now the question number 1, as you seen on the screen, the length of the river Parana and the Paraguay in South America are in ratio 5:3, and the Parana river is 2500 miles long, and we have to find how long is Paraguay. Firstly, I am going to explain this question. The ratio of the length of the two rivers according to question Parana to Paraguay is 5:3. That is, under between Parana we write 5 and under between Paraguay we write 3. Be careful in that. Now length of river Parana is 2500 miles. It is given in the question. Now let us assume that length of Paraguay is x miles. Now we use our formula of the ratio. So firstly we write the ratios of Parana and Paraguay, that is 5:3. Now when we write the length of Parana and Paraguay, as the ratio of Parana came earlier, so we write the length of river Parana 2500 at the third place, and then at the place of Paraguay we put it as x. Now we have to multiply the in between, that is we have to multiply means and the extremes separately. So 3 and 2500 are the mean values and x and 5 are the extreme values. So when we multiply 3 into 2500 and here we multiply, we write it as 5x. Now taking 5 in the putting 5 in the denominator, and when we solve all these things, then 5 into 2500, that is 500, and 3 into 500 is 1500 miles. So very simply we can solve these types of problem using ratios. Now see the next question. The ratio of the heights of Amanda, Zane and Suzanne is 5:6:7. Now there's a ratio of three things, but in the above question we have ratio of 2 things. In this question we have the ratio of three persons, Amanda, Zane and Suzanne. So ratio of Amanda is 5, ratio of Zane is 6, and ratio of Suzanne is 7, their heights. Now if Zane is 1.44 meter tall, that is height of the Zane is given. But if we observe, the ratio of Zane is given in the middle of the ratios, that is ratio of Zane is 6. And now question asks how tall is Amanda and how tall is Suzanne. Okay, so it is not given here the total value or anything else. So how we solve these types of questions when the ratio of 3 particular things or 3 pupils are given? Now the ratio of heights of Amanda, Zane and Suzanne is given, that is 5:6:7. And also in the question it is given height of Zane is 1.44 meters. Now first step, we have to find the sum of ratios all together, which is given in the question. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 we get 18. So total height, if we find out the sum of all the 3 heights, ratio of all the 3 heights of all of the persons, then let it be x. Now Zane's height is given, so we firstly go for the Zane. So formula we have just remember for that, Zane's height is equal to ratio of Zane over sum of ratio into total height of all of the sum of total height of all of them. So put the value of height of Zane 1.44 in place of Zane's height, which is equal to ratio of Zane in the heights ratio is 6 and sum of ratios of height is 18 into x. Now cross multiply, so it becomes 1.44 into 18 over 6. Now when we solve, we get the sum of total of heights is 4.32. Now after that we have to find one by one height of each one, that is height of Amanda. Use again the formula which I have written above. Now in the formula we write ratio of Zane over sum of ratio. Now it is height of Amanda, so take out use the ratio of Amanda. So ratio of Amanda is 5 and sum of ratio is 18. So 5 by 18 and total height, sum of total height is 4.32. So multiply with that. After solving this we get 1.2. Similarly the height of Suzanne, ratio of Suzanne is 7 and sum of ratio is 18 and total height we found 4.32. After solving that we get 1.68. So these are the concept based problems. Thank you. Yes, I am sending you solution of this question. I hope This question will help you a lot in solving all other problems of your exercise. Now, Mrs. Hubbard brought the three things: TV, fridge and vacuum cleaner, and the ratio of their prices are given 93:46:13, and the total money which is spent by Mrs. Hubbard is $478.80. Now firstly we have to find the sum of all the ratios which are given in the question. That means we have to add 93 plus 46 plus 13, and ultimately we got 152. Now one by one we find the prices of each and everything. Firstly we try to find out the price of TV by taking the ratio of TV 93 in the numerator and sum of ratio 152 in the denominator, and we have to multiply this with the total money spent by Mrs. Hubbard. After solving this we get 292.25. Similarly, in the same way we have to find the price of the fridge. The ratio of the fridge, as you can see, it is 46 because it is in the middle. Now upon ratio, sum of the ratio into total money spent by Mrs. Hubbard, and when you solve you will get 144.9. Similarly, in the same way you find out the price of vacuum cleaner. You will take here the ratio of vacuum cleaner 13 in the numerator and sum of ratio in the denominator. I hope now you got how the question can be solved. If you have any problem, just send to me. Thank you. Now next question I am going to explain you.